Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Britt, and I am going to be teaching you all things how to make money online. And some of the biggest questions is what we're going to be covering today. We have so many questions that come in on what is affiliate marketing and what is digital marketing and what is the best option for you. And so I'm going to just kind of uncover everything there is about affiliate marketing and digital marketing as I have done them both. So let's start with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be done on multiple different platforms. I currently use Amazon. Amazon is a very robust system to do an affiliate marketing program. We have millions and millions and probably billions of shoppers on Amazon. And so what makes it easy when it comes to that is that there are ways through their robust system that your videos can show up on those pages, on those product pages when people are looking to shop for those items. And that's one of the big things that I teach. I do teach an Amazon Money Master Course to show you how to get into Amazon Associate, Amazon Influencer. And that's the huge thing to be able to do that. Now, there are other ways to make money doing Amazon or doing affiliate marketing. You can do it through Rakuten. You can also do it by becoming a travel planner. So travel planners are the biggest ones. So if you have ever planned a trip to Disney and used a travel planner, they are an affiliate marketer. They get paid by the company to help bring people to those products they're selling, those trips they're selling. And that is a big part of what affiliate marketing is and does. What you're doing is you have a product, you have a service, you have something, and people are wanting affiliate marketers to market that product for the company and then get them sales. That's the huge thing. What's nice is that it doesn't cost the consumer any more money. They're still going to be buying the service. You're just buying it through the person that's going to be marketing it for you, whether that be a travel planner, an Amazon affiliate, an Amazon influencer. All of those things are Amazon or affiliate marketing. I keep saying Amazon just because that is what I do primarily. But with that, affiliate marketing is going to be huge. A lot of times, affiliate marketing, I would say, is probably more of the passive income stream. The passive income stream that you may not necessarily always get with digital marketing. Now, keep in mind, digital marketing can be passive, but it takes a lot longer and a lot more legwork to do digital marketing. So let's switch over to digital marketing. I gave the short synopsis of what affiliate marketing is, and hopefully that kind of made you understand exactly what to expect in an affiliate program, whether it be Rakuten, whether it be a travel planner, whether it be Amazon. It could be anything. Sky's the limit. Even Target, Walmart, they have affiliate programs. But switching over to the digital marketing, what you're doing as a digital marketer is my Amazon Money Master Course. So I am a digital marketer for a product that I created. It's a course called the Amazon Money Master Course. I sell my knowledge to somebody to be able to help them. You can be a digital marketer without touching any of the affiliate marketing piece of it. You can do a garden, if you're really good at gardening, and you do a Canva tutorial about best ways to plant in your garden. And you do different things like, showing people what the best, ways to put corn and green beans together. And then you have all of your other things, maybe best way to set up your garden in a small space. So you're selling knowledge. You're putting it in either a course like myself, you're putting it in a digital book or anything that you can do. A lot of people use Canva. I do have a video on how to make that in a different YouTube video that I did. So if you're interested in how to make your own digital product using Canva, make sure to go back, revert to that, check it out, because it's definitely worth watching in that case. So more said with that digital marketing piece is that you're going to be marketing your own items. So whereas affiliate marketing, I am only getting a percent. I am getting a percent of sales given to me by the company. So let's say it's 10%, 5%, 4%, whereas digital marketing is 100%. 100%. If I'm selling my course for $50, $50 of that is mine. Now you do have the back end fees, so I pay to keep my my course up and running on the platform was using StanStore, have recently switched to Beacons. I am going to put both in the description just so that way you have a good link to be able to go to, whether you're interested in becoming a digital marketer, selling your own knowledge to be able to get that 100% profit. But I do have that StanStore link. I have the Beacons link. Definitely. And so check that down below if that's what you want to do, what you want to look into. But then you do have the back end cost. But as long as you're marketing that product, that's what's really going to be great. The downside of digital marketing is that it is your own product. If you do not drive the traffic, no one's going to drive it for you. So that was one way that when I was selling my course online, you have to be quite consistently online or you're going to get forgotten about. You can do passive forms to be able to post pins on Pinterest. And that's a video that will be coming later as well. How to do a pin or things like that to be able to passively promote your course by showcasing it on Pinterest. Pinterest is a huge platform that sometimes can be overlooked, but that's definitely something you're going to want to showcase on Pinterest if you decide to go the digital marketing route. Now, so digital marketing, the big piece, percent for affiliate marketing, 100% profit for the digital marketing, but there's going to be the benefits and downsides and benefits for both. Both ones are going to be great options for making money online. I myself obviously do both. I do a digital marketing way to show you how to become an affiliate marketer, which is great. There's other people that I know that have done the gardening. Then there's other people that showcase their, how to DIY. So if I know how to build furniture really well and I can come up with the custom build plans for everything, if you put that in a book, to be honest with you, I would probably buy it. So those kind of things, it just has to be something that you're an expert at. You have to show that you're an expert at, you have to own it. And that's a huge part of being able to be a digital marketer. And so I really hope that this has helped kind of understand the difference. I know some people, when they get into this, making money online field, they really don't know which route to go. They don't know the difference. They don't understand the difference. But to be honest with you, there are huge benefits. There are huge downsides to both. But overall, this is a huge, huge thing to be able to start making passive income online. And so it's definitely something I suggest. It's definitely something we're going to talk about here on this Britt the Affiliate channel. So overall, I hope you found this helpful. If there are any questions that you have, make sure to put them down below. I will answer them as I see them. And overall, I hope to see you next in this channel because we are going to cover so much more when it comes to affiliate marketing, how I use the Viral View platform to really increase my earnings. And that is going to be a huge topic of discussion for the next couple of days on this channel. So make sure to subscribe, and like I said, comment if you had any questions, because I would love to get you going, making money online passively for your family.